This home in Cherry Valley had cold rooms, dirty ducts, and no one had solved it. The homeowner Marlene was worried about the air her family was breathing, dust, bacteria, and barely any insulation in the attic. We removed the old ductwork and insulation, installed antimicrobial ducts, blew in fresh insulation wall to wall, then added a hospital-grade air scrubber that removes 99% of all airborne germs and particulates. Now, the home is sealed, clean, and quiet, and Marlene's family has a peace of mind. If you're in Cherry Valley and your home doesn't feel right, we're here to make it better. We're Lasting Legacy. This is what we do.